Alright, this is Algebraic Reasoning Review 1.6, 1.9. Numbers 3 and number 4. Again, we're looking for linear, quadratic, or cubic, so start subtracting. Negative 8 minus 6 is negative 14. Negative 42 minus negative 8. Pretty much 42 minus 8 is 34, so negative 34. Is that right? Yep. Negative 102 minus 42, and I don't feel like making a mistake this early in the morning. Oh, come on. 102 negative minus 42 negative equals 60, negative 60. 194 negative minus 102 negative is negative 92. Okay, so it's not linear. Negative 34 minus negative 14, so it's plus 14, that's negative 20. Negative 60 minus 34, so essentially plus 34, is negative 26. 92, negative 92 minus 60 is minus 28. No, that's 38. 92 negative minus 60 is negative 32. Okay, good. I'm glad I got a calculator right here because I'm tired. So it's not quadratic. Last but not least, negative 26 minus 20 is negative 6. Negative 32 minus 20, negative 26 is also negative 6. So it's cubic. Third difference is the same, so it's cubic. So you'll notice, first off, we do not have our starting first difference. We do not have our 0. So what we need to do is we need to back up that distance, which we got to back up all of these distances, which the only one I know about is the negative 6. So negative 20 minus negative 6 is negative 14. Negative 14 minus negative 14 is actually 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. So here's your starting point. Here's your starting first difference. Here's your starting second difference. Start computing. A equals second difference. Third difference divided by 6, which is negative 6 divided by 6, which is negative 1. B equals the starting second difference minus 6a divided by 2. That's negative 14 minus 6 times negative 1 divided by 2. 6 times negative 1 is positive 6, so negative 14 plus 6 is negative 8. So that's negative 4. C equals the starting first difference minus A minus B. So that's 0 minus negative 1 minus negative 4, so that's 5. And D is your starting point, is 6. Okay, so you've got ax cubed, bx squared, cx, and then your constant. So y equals negative x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x plus 6. There you go. Number 4. Same idea. Start subtracting. 3 minus 9 is negative 6. Negative 11 minus 3 is negative 14. Negative 33 minus negative 11 is negative 22. Negative 63 minus negative 33 is negative 30. Okay, so it's not linear. 14 minus negative 6 is negative 8. Negative 22 minus negative 14 is also negative 8. And 30 minus negative 2 is also negative 8. So that's your second difference. Again, we don't have our starting point, so we got to back up that to find 0. Back up that one, so negative 8. Negative 6 minus negative 8 is essentially negative 6 plus 8. So that's 2. And then 9 minus 2 is, I just lost my mind, 8. Yeah. So there's your starting point, and there's your starting first difference. So A equals second difference divided by 2, which is negative 8 divided by 2, which is negative 4. B is your starting first difference minus A, so negative 4 minus 2, which is negative 6. and your C value is your starting point. So x squared, x constant. There you go. Y, or f of x, however you want to think of that, is negative 4x squared plus 6x. No, not plus 6x, minus 6x, because it's a negative 6 plus 8. And there you go.